nice and spicy, and it's so delicious. It's also really nutritious, and it'll be a delight. You will have the meal of your life. Let's get to cooking, shall we? For this recipe, actually no, we'll cut it with singing. What you will need is a head of cauliflower. Also, for the products from our store, you will need the Harissa Infused Olive Oil. This has a mix of cumin, caraway, coriander, garlic, and chilies. Kind of like a curry flavor, but it's going to be amazing with our cauliflower steaks. To start off, you want to take your cauliflower and just cut it right down the middle. Once you have these halves, you want to take the 1/2 and go about an inch, inch and a quarter, inch and a half. And you just want to slice through that as well for our steak. Now with this, you want to get a little bit of the green part off your cauliflower, but with this that's kind of left off the side, you can always make this into cauliflower rice, cauliflower puree. We also have our recipe, as you saw before, with the cauliflower wings. You can check that out in the list of our videos. But now we're just going to get this ready, and we're going to throw them in the cast iron pan soon. Now we're going to work on our steak spice. First we have some minced garlic in here. We're also going to throw in some freshly squeezed lemon juice. Next, after that, we're going to throw in our Harissa Infused Olive Oil. For all measurements, please visit our website at the link below. If you're watching this on Instagram, you can go to our bio and our Instagram page. Also going to throw in some maple syrup. Once you have all that, the next thing you're going to throw in is some paprika. And some salt. And then it's pretty much from that point, just giving it a good whisk. We do have our cauliflower steaks all ready, so let's head over to the cast iron pan. So our pan is set to medium high. I'm just going to throw just a little bit of olive oil in here because we don't really want to saute the cauliflower. We just want to give it a nice color. Gently put that in there, nice little sizzle. We are going to sear these for 3 to 3.5 minutes aside, just to get a nice color to it. Timer has gone off. Let's give these guys a nice little flip. There we go. Got a nice little bit of brown going on. Yep. Perfect. And another 3.5 minutes. While this is searing, you do want to set your oven to bake at 425 degrees. Next thing you want to do once these are done, they actually kind of smell like fries. I don't know why, but it smells delicious. You want to put it on a baking tray. We've got our mixture of steak spice. We're just gonna brush this on. Get some nice color. The smell of the harissa oil just makes me hungry. It's got so many good warm flavors to it. That cumin, really beautiful. Just gonna get this along the edge as well. Make sure in the bottom of the mixture here you get those little bits of the minced garlic. We're going to flip these over, do the other side, and then we're going to throw these in the oven to bake. Alright, so we're ready to throw this in the oven. You want to get that in there, and then we are going to let this bake for 5 to 7 minutes. Let's go Go about 6. Keep an eye on it when it gets near the end because you want to get it just, you can do it to your own doneness, but we'll see you in a bit. Hello. So this is done. Ooh, a little smoky. Oh yeah. Nice sizzle going on. The smell, oh the smell. Again, smell-o-vision needs to be invented. This smells amazing. We're gonna get this all plated up and we'll see you in a little bit. Oh man, all the smells of this. As you can see, we've got some rice on the side. We cooked up some lentils, made like a Greek salad for us. Honestly, I'm so ready to dig in. We went ahead and made our own garlic sauce. You can do this if you want to for your cauliflower steak, but I'm just gonna add just a little bit to part of this. Go for my bite. Still has a nice little crunch to it. It's like barbecuing a cauliflower without having to use the barbecue. That harissa, so flavorful. If you love spicy, especially a curry type spice, you're gonna love this recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a lot of fun to make, obviously with the singing, but we'll see you guys next time. This recipe's vegan and it is gluten-free. Nope. It's also really nutritious and also it's also really nutritious, but it will be a delight.